Upgrading your bathroom can be one of the most impactful ways to improve both the comfort and functionality of your home. While many homeowners focus on cosmetic changes like new tiles or vanity updates, one of the most important improvements you can make is installing a walk-in tub. Walk-in tubs are not only stylish but also provide a range of practical benefits, particularly when it comes to long-term comfort and safety. For homeowners in Mobile, Alabama, where maintaining a comfortable and functional living space is key, a walk-in tub is the perfect solution for enhancing your bathroom experience. In this article, we'll explore the many reasons why a walk-in tub in Mobile is the ideal upgrade for your home's long-term comfort and functionality. Enhanced safety for seniors and people with mobility challenges. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for a walk-in tub is the enhanced safety it provides. Traditional bathtubs can be difficult and dangerous to navigate, especially for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges. The high wall and the need to step over it to enter the tub can lead to slips, falls, and injuries. A walk-in tub solves this issue by offering a low entry threshold, making it much easier to step in and out of the tub without the risk of tripping. The built-in door allows users to enter the tub while remaining fully supported, ensuring they can bathe with minimal effort. This easy access is particularly valuable for seniors who want to maintain their independence without needing assistance for daily tasks. With safety features like anti-slip floors and grab bars, a walk-in tub offers the confidence and stability necessary for safe bathing. Comfort and relaxation. A walk-in tub isn't just about safety, it's also designed for maximum comfort. Many models come with therapeutic features such as hydrotherapy jets, air massage systems, and heated seats, all of which provide a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. For Mobile residents, who experience hot summers and mild winters, having a tub that provides both relaxation and therapeutic relief is an excellent way to unwind after a long day. Hydrotherapy jets can help alleviate muscle and joint pain, reduce stress, and improve circulation, making walk-in tubs particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis, back pain, or other conditions that benefit from warm water therapy. The warm water combined with gentle massage provides a soothing experience that not only helps you relax but also supports your long-term health and well-being. If you're someone who enjoys taking baths to de-stress or relieve discomfort, the comfort features of a walk-in tub will make it an invaluable addition to your bathroom. Independence and convenience. Maintaining independence is important for many homeowners, especially as they age or face physical challenges. Traditional bathtubs can be limiting in terms of accessibility, and many seniors or individuals with mobility issues find themselves relying on others for help when bathing. With a walk-in tub, you regain the independence to bathe comfortably and securely on your own. The easy entry and exit feature of a walk-in tub allows you to enjoy a private, independent bathing experience without needing assistance. Whether you're looking to age in place or simply want a more accessible solution, a walk-in tub allows you to maintain your dignity and autonomy while ensuring your safety and comfort. Space-saving design. Despite offering numerous safety and comfort features, walk-in tubs are designed to fit comfortably into standard bathroom spaces. They offer the perfect balance of functionality and space efficiency, making them an excellent option for both small and large bathrooms. In Mobile, where older homes often feature more compact bathrooms, a walk-in tub provides a great way to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. Unlike traditional bathtubs that take up more room, walk-in tubs are designed to fit in the space available while still offering a spacious and luxurious bathing experience. You won't have to worry about feeling cramped or restricted. Walk-in tubs offer a comfortable, roomy design that allows you to stretch out and relax. Increased home value and appeal. In addition to enhancing your daily comfort, a walk-in tub can increase the value of your home. Many potential buyers, particularly seniors or individuals with mobility challenges, will be attracted to the safety and comfort features that a walk-in tub provides. Installing one in your bathroom can make your home more appealing to a larger pool of buyers. In Mobile, where the demand for accessible living solutions is on the rise, having a walk-in tub can help differentiate your home in the market. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or are looking to sell in the near future, the addition of a walk-in tub is a valuable upgrade that can significantly increase your home's appeal and resale value. Low maintenance and long-term durability walk-in tubs are built to last, with high-quality materials and advanced technology designed for minimal maintenance. Most walk-in tubs are made from durable, easy-to-clean materials like acrylic or fiberglass, which resist stains, cracks, and mold growth. This ensures that your tub stays in excellent condition for years to come with minimal upkeep. Additionally, many walk-in tubs are equipped with self-cleaning features, such as built-in jets that help flush out debris and prevent bacteria buildup. The durability and low-maintenance nature of these tubs make them a smart long-term investment for homeowners looking for a functional, hassle-free bathing solution. Conclusion for homeowners in mobile: upgrading to a walk-in tub is an investment that enhances both safety and comfort, while also increasing the functionality of your bathroom. Whether you're looking to make your home more accessible, enjoy the therapeutic benefits of hydrotherapy, or add value to your property, a walk-in tub is the ideal solution. By improving safety, providing a relaxing experience, and offering space efficiency, a walk-in tub ensures that your bathroom remains a sanctuary of comfort and convenience for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your bathing experience, consider a walk-in tub as the perfect addition to your home. With its long-term benefits and lasting value, a walk-in tub is the ideal upgrade for your home's comfort, safety, and functionality.